Hi guys, my name's Adam and I'm here with Love Crafts. We're going to be looking at top 10 embroidery stitches in this video, and by the time you've finished you should have all the skills that you need to jump into your first embroidery project. Okay, for the next stitch we're going to be looking at, we will be doing a French knot. I have my needle threaded with 3 strands of the stranded cotton. I'm going to take my air erasable pen, and this time I'm just going to do 3 dots. Well, I'll do a few more. Just have a little row of dots as a guide for us to follow. And my thread is anchored, and we want to come up through the first knot. And you may need to release your hoop to do your first French knot, so you can rest it on a table or on a surface that you're working on. You want to gently take the thread that you have in your left or right hand, depending on which way that you work, and you want to wrap the thread twice around your needle, so you have 2 little loops going over the surface of the needle, just like that. Then gently holding the tension, you want to position your needle so it's going back down in the hole where you came up. And you'll see that if you gently tug on the thread, it should pull all of the tension in the thread nice and taut, and you can then gently pull your needle through. You may need to give it a little tug depending on how many strands of thread you're using, and it will anchor them into a nice French knot. We'll do that again, so we come up, just rest your hoop down, you take your thread, and it is once, twice. You can add additional loops if you want the knot to be bigger, but a traditional French knot is just 2 loops around the thread. So we've pulled the thread taut around the needle, and we're going back down. Give it a little tug just to anchor the knot in place. Come back up, resting down once, twice, and back down where you came up, just giving a little tug to the thread. So we have a row of French knots, and the last 2 with just those extra rotations around the needle, just to give a slightly bigger knot. So there you have a French knot.